Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, you were told to number your paper from 1 to 10. And then people came up to me and said, there's only 9 problems. I'm like, I don't care. I just wanted you to number it from 1 to 10 to see if you followed directions, and some of you didn't. We are identifying these triangles. We are naming them on both their sides and their angles. So each of these will have 2 names. For example, triangle number 1. Connor, how would you name triangle number 1? Acute, isosceles. Acute, because all three angles in that triangle are less than 90 degrees. Isosceles, because 2 of the sides are the same length. Number 2. Caitlin, what would you name number 2?
Right scalene.
A right scalene. A right angle, because it's got a 90-degree angle, which you can tell from that little box in the top left corner. Scalene, because none of the 3 sides have the same length. Number 3. Jacob, what would you call number 3?
Obtuse scale.
Scalene. Obtuse scalene is correct, because none of the 3 angles are the same. None of the 3 sides are the same. And one of the angles is greater than 90. Number 4. Layla, what would you call number 4?
A right isosceles.
A right isosceles triangle. It is a right angle, and you can tell that by the little box in the bottom right-hand side. Tells you that that angle is 90 degrees. Isosceles, because 2 of the sides are 10 inches, or 2 of the sides are 10 inches. And an isosceles triangle has 2 sides that are the same length. Number 5. Oh, let's call on Arian.
What? Acute equilateral.
Acute equilateral. Acute, because all 3 sides are the same length. All 3 angles are less than 90. Equilateral, because all 3 sides are the same. Could we call it anything else? Anyone?
Yes.
What else could we call it? An isosceles, because it has 2 sides that are the same length. An isosceles triangle has 2 sides that are the same length.
Do we have to write isosceles?
No, but if you did, then I wouldn't count it against you. Number 6. Dancing Queen. Number 6.
I got obtuse scalene.
Obtuse scalene. It's an obtuse triangle because it's got an angle greater than 90 degrees. It is a scalene triangle because none of the 3 sides are the same.